Saturday morning fabrics. These are all $14.99 for today, except for one. But I think this, yeah, that one's not. Okay, sorry. So we're going to start with this beautiful turquoise. This is a 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. Beautiful for a little jacket, lightweight jacket. Slacks, capris would be adorable. 100% cotton, great drape to it, but light. Very pretty, 100% cotton turquoise, stretch woven. Because this great fabric goes with it, and really it's just fun to do the both. Look at that. Isn't that fun? This is a viscose. Aren't they cute together? Oh. But this would go with so much. Jeans. It's got a milk background. Very pretty, but a milk background, not a white background. Red, navy, yellow, orange, just all kinds of really fun colors. It's a 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. So it's just got a great drape. It's great fabric. Love the stripe. You guys know there's so many things. The stripes are everywhere, and it's a navy. And again, not a white. It's a little bit less than a white. It's like a milk behind there, but it is, both sides are usable. So something would be really cool that it was like a reversible. It's got stretch in both directions. It's a wonderful fabric, a navy and a milk. Again, $14.99. This is a navy and a gold. And I really do think, I'm not even sure which side is the right one on this. I do think both sides are usable on this. It has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. Very unique, very different. It'd make a really, jacket 8. I think it was 824. I think would be perfect for this. A little shawl, short jacket, I think would be really cute. This could easily go with it. This is a Max Mara. This is the one that's not $14.99 because we paid twice that much for it. So this is a Max Mara. It's 100% cotton. Beautiful piece of fabric. It is a navy and white. It's a deep navy, but you can see it goes really well with this. It's a deep navy and white and very pretty. And then this is what we have is 100% cotton. It's a terry, our white terry, and it is white. And it's pretty. It is really, really pretty. It has stretch in both directions, one direction more than the other. And it's just a home run. It's just a home run. This white terry, I love white terry in the summertime. Cardigan, $8.25 with a little top would be adorable. So the goal is, as you know, happy sewing. Happy Saturday from Silhouette Patterns.